Before we enter the woods, find a comfortable seated position. A seated position with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Let's begin by focusing on the quote, "Quiet the mind and the soul will speak." Allow these words to resonate within you as we embark on this journey of calming the mind and connecting with our inner selves. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Take a moment. Take a moment to notice the sounds around you without changing them. Simply acknowledge their presence and let them be. Now turn your attention inward and become aware of your breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each breath. There is no need to control your breath. Just observe it as it naturally flows in and out. As you breathe, thoughts may arise. That's completely normal. Instead of getting caught up in them, imagine your thoughts as passing clouds in the vast sky of your mind. Watch them come and watch them go without judgment. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Be patient with yourself. Remember that the act of bringing your mind back to the present moment is a part of the practice. Now let's take a moment to scan through your body. Starting from the top of your head, gradually move your attention down, paying attention to any sensations you feel along the way. If you encounter areas of tension or discomfort, breathe into them, allowing the breath to bring relaxation and release. Your breath is a powerful tool, one that can help you anchor yourself in the present moment. As you continue to breathe and observe, you might notice that your mind starts to quiet down. Thoughts become less frequent. and a sense of stillness begins to emerge. In this space of stillness, listen closely. Listen closely to the whispers of your soul. What does your soul have to say? What insights or intuitions are waiting to be discovered? Remember, this practice is all about being present and accepting what arises. There are no expectations. There are no right answers. Trust that whatever you experience in this moment is exactly what you need. Now, take one last deep breath in. Fill your lungs with fresh energy. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of calm and presence with you as you continue your day. Take a moment to sit quietly and reflect on your experience. Carry the wisdom of this meditation with you throughout your day, returning to it whenever you need a moment of stillness and connection with your soul. Thank you for joining this mindfulness practice. If you've enjoyed this, please consider giving it a share, a like, and of course subscribing for more. Have a wonderful day or evening. Thank you.